our viewers and our followers on YouTube. We want to teach you how to name your computer system for the Bluetooth to recognize it. So when you see Bluetooth, you know there are some other way you can use to recognize the name of the Bluetooth you are sending documents to. For example, on your phone, maybe you want to share a document to somebody. You need to know the name of the device that you want to send the documents to. Possibly it can be phone, it can be system to system, it can be system to cell phone, it can be cell phone to system. And if you don't know the name of your system, maybe for example you want to send documents through Bluetooth on your phone to the computer system, and you try to do it, and there are a lot of names of Bluetooth you see it, your Bluetooth search for, and you don't know the specific one you want to select, whether this is the name of my system that I want to send it to. How can you do that? One, you need to come to the desktop after you on your system and your system have boot to the desktop point. What you need to do is that you find the PC, something like this. You find this PC. You can see I'm shaking the mouse on this PC, and if you can't find it on your desktop, there are other ways you can use to get it again. Just click any folder. It can be any folder on desktop, and you see PC here. You can see it. I'm shaking the mouse on it. You can see PC. And if you can't get it, you can also use this method. Search the web and Windows. You can type this PC, this PC. So you can see it here. You can see it, this PC. So what you need to do is that you right click on it and you go to the property. Immediately you click the properties, go to show something like this, icon like this. These are the Windows, these are the Windows name, your computer name. You can see it here, say computer name. This one is ID computer 1. And if you want to rename it to your favorite name, what you just need to do to go to the advanced setting, this one, you go to the advanced setting and you click it, and computer name, you can see computer name on the icon. So you can see I'm shaking the mouse on the computer name. So you click it. So immediately you click it, you can see say description, it say computer description, meaning that the name of the computer. So you can change it to anyone you want. So, and if you want to change it, you click change like this and you enter the name. You can delete the one that is there before and write another one that you think you like to, the name that you know that you can quickly recognize or remember anytime you want to send documents made from the cell phone to the computer. I think that's all on this class. I hope you get this class. It's very, very important for you and I to know how to rename our computer to the one that you can remember. It can be your name, it can be your wife name, it can be your children name, So through that, if you are sending any document through Bluetooth to your system, you immediately you say share, and the Bluetooth begin to detect some names. You able to know your own there. I hope you get this class very well, and I wish you best of luck ahead. And next class we are going to teach ourselves another dynamic lesson. Thank you.